Hi, I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, and today we're going to make a tried and true favorite of the region, of the coal region that is, and that are potato cakes, aka bleenies. Now I've made latkes, and latkes are a type of potato cake, but actual true Polish potato cakes here in the coal region are made just a little bit differently, and how you make them gives a little bit different flavor. So these are the classic church picnic potato cake bleenies. And by the way, once again, recipes vary from family to family around here. Some people just grate the potatoes really fine. Some people add mashed potatoes. It just varies. I'm just going to show you how we do them, and that's just by grating them pretty fine. And actually they're going to end up, I do a grate and then I'm going to do them in the food processor. Because you almost want it like a paste. I'm going to do it in the food processor then after I do the grating, because you almost want it like a paste for when you drop it in the oil. So it only takes a few ingredients, and I'll show you how we make them. What you need are some potatoes, and the newer potatoes that you can get, the better they'll be. I mean, they're never bad, but they're really good with new potatoes. 1 large onion, an egg, handful of flour, around a half a cup. You'll see it's more of a feel thing, and pepper and salt to taste. I'm just going to start grating my potatoes. An onion. So I've took the grated potatoes out and put in my chopper blade in the bottom, and then put this back in, and then I'm going to add my egg in, some salt, some pepper, and some flour. And then I'm just going to process this up till it's fine. Okay, it's done. So I just want you to see what this looks like. See, it's just like a batter. It's just like a batter. And that's what we're going to drop in the hot oil. And I have to laugh because, like, the old timers and even the old church cookbooks say to drop it in a puddle of oil. A puddle. See them curling brown around the edges. Give them a good flip. Squeeze them down a little bit. And lift them out onto a sheet. Let the oil drip off them. And last one, I'm out of the pan. Now we're going to dish these up. Honestly, people, I can eat these as a full meal just by themselves. Which, if you're a vegetarian, I guess is a good thing. So let's look. Oh, look at that. So, here they are. Aren't they beautiful? I gotta tell you that potato cakes are just probably one of my most favorite things in the whole world. And I'm gonna have one here with some sour cream. I know some people that actually will take these and put a slice of cheese between them, between 2 potato cakes, and make a double-decker sandwich out of them. I mean, how can that be bad? Outside nice and crunchy, and oh my god. These are so good. So good. These are just as good as any church picnic. Mm. Mm. The other way I like to eat blinis, or potato cakes, is with applesauce. And of course I've got some of my homemade applesauce here. Mmm. Mmm. Oh man. I could sit down and eat about 10 of these, I swear. Mmm. Did I mention these are one of my favorite things? So good. So gone. Oh man. Well, bucket. I've got a whole plate of the beauties. So these will be coming up for supper. So that's how you make traditional pig, coal region potato cakes, aka blinis. They're not hard. They're only a few ingredients and they're really delicious. And like I said, doing this way, making them up fine, more into a batter paste, does change the taste from when you do them like a latkes with a, when I do them with a coarser grate. So, oh man, they're both good, but they're a little different. Potato cakes, man, you gotta have them. Potato cakes. And join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.